Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and studying regularly. Children, we were doing chapter 3 singular and plural nouns, and today we are going to finish this chapter by doing just a revision work. So let us start. Now children, I taught you singular means one and plural means more than one. You can see these are all single pictures. When you see something one in number, it means it is a singular word. A tree, a ball, a house, a mango, a kite, a car. So these are all singular pictures and these are more than one. When something is more than one, it is called plural. So these are trees, balls, houses, mangoes, kites, cars. Now children, we can change singular words to plural by following certain rules that I taught you. The first rule was by adding s. We can change singular to plural by adding s to the words, like tree becomes trees, fan, fans, apple, apples. Likewise, if you add s, what happens? The word becomes plural. Plural means more than one. The second rule was we can change singular to plural by adding es. Where are we going to add es? If the words are ending with ch, sh, th, s, double s, x or o, in that case we add es at the end of the word to make it plural. Let us come to rule number 3. Rule number 3 says if the words are ending with f or fe, then in that case you will remove f or fe and add ves at the end to make it plural. Okay children, this was the third rule. Let us come to the next rule. The next rule says if the words are ending with y, you will change it into plural by adding ies. So lady becomes ladies. But children, if there is a vowel before y, simply you will add only s, like donkey. Here before donkey, just you see this letter y. Before y you have letter e. So e is a vowel. So you will just add s. The complete word you will write and add only s at the end. Is that clear children? So if there is a vowel before y, you are only add s. This was the rule. And I taught you some words that change their forms by changing the plural. Let us come to those words. There are some nouns which form their plurals by a change of the inside vowel. Like for example, foot becomes feet, man, men, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, woman, women, child, children. So you can see children, these are all singular words and these singular words change into plural by changing the spelling in this manner: feet, men, teeth, mice, women and children. So these are singular words and these are plural. You have to remember these because all are not given in the book. This one is given in the book but these are not there. So you have to remember. So children, these were the rules that I taught to you. You have to study them and keep practicing. If you study regularly, you will always remember the rules. So with this, we'll come to an end of the chapter, and in the next class, we'll start with something new. Thank you children.